Hello, and welcome to Trading Without Fear. Good day, everyone. So here are my only trade that I took today, which was on the Qs. This is a paper trade, not a live trade. Today, I just didn't take any live trades. I didn't really see much in the market and until I saw this trade. So I decided to shut down my real account. There was this nice uptrending pattern right here on the Qs, formed this nice ascending triangle. It was just so choppy that there wasn't really much of a directional move that I wanted to take on it. So I just kind of just didn't trade it. You know, with it going up and down like this, I was more afraid that I was going to get stopped out more than anything. And today the lesson, for me at least, is more lines of being patient, waiting for a clean setup, even on the same charts. I do trade a lot of the Qs and the SPY. I just like the way that they move on a day-to-day type of a movement. And so I just avoided all this morning time, and it started having this topping out motion right here. And if I'm looking at the past 15 days, 15-minute time frame, this area right around here, for me, kind of signified that there may be a top coming in, and it kind of held that level right there. So if I go ahead and put this right here, is around the 267 time frame. So, or the 267 price, not the time frame. Sorry. So I just thought that it kind of gets stopped right here. You can see there's a nice clean downtrend. You know, just downtrending over multiple days. And so what I decided to do was just be patient and wait, and you know, form this top, started making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And so I ended up getting into it with 39 contracts at 44 cents, right around here. Now, still risking that 25%, and it just, for whatever reason, had this huge crackdown. During that crackdown, I got out of all 39 contracts at 95 cents. So that's about 115% profit on that trade. I believe that trade was over $1,000. Let me go ahead and just double check that. So yeah, so it was $1,989 profit on that trade. So it's quite a big profit on that. I did actually reset my paper account, went back down to the, you know, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I went back down to that $1,500 again, just to, you know, kind of regrow it and try to get some good discipline. Right now, the account's $4,012.64. And the lesson is just being patient, waiting for something to set up, waiting for something to be there, and stop guessing what the market is going to be doing. You know, there's, you know, a lot of the times when it just has dropped down that people think it's going to go lower, and you know, the bottom may or may not set in, and all of a sudden it just rips up and kind of, you know, rips your face off. And if you put in too much size, that could be your only trade on the day. And it's also about money management. Like when I'm trading these, I mean, this is a, you know, around $1,000 something size. Let me just go ahead and see what the size is on that one. So 39 times 44. So it's about a $1,700 position. So that's still, overall, that's not a big position size, even compared to what my account is. I had a good clean risk to reward that's showing a clean, you know, just kind of weakness in the chart. I don't know if we're going to keep going down. As far as what the overall market is going to do, who knows? We could easily top down here and just have another drop later on. There's still about an hour of market close before market closes, and it could just hover and then all of a sudden just crack down again. At this point, I'm done trading for the day. Taking that nearly $2,000 profit, even though it's on paper, is, you know, good. I'm done, and I'm going to be walking away from my computer. Hopefully, you guys had a good trading day yourself. And when I upload this, hopefully, it's not zoomed in and squished down. That's pretty much it. Just waiting for the opportune moments, and there's always something to trade. You don't have to worry about missing out on something. And if you do miss out, what's the big deal? I mean, there's always tomorrow. So again, hopefully you guys had a good day, and we'll catch you next time.